Hey, hey. Hey, you guys. It's Mirsky. Back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, you already know. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you slap the bell so you can get notified that I do videos. Also, make sure that you share this video with somebody else who's interested in topics like these and things of the law of attraction or whatever. And let's just get into this video. Okay, so you guys, from what you guys can see in the title below, I'm going to be talking about how you can manifest something in 17 seconds. But it's really not 17 seconds, it's 68 seconds. But once you hold this thought for 17 seconds at a time, you're going to manifest within 17 seconds. So let's just get into how this works. Basically, what the 17-second method is if you think a thought for 17 seconds, purely on that thought, you are sending out the vibration that whatever it is that you want to manifest. So let's just say if you want to manifest some money, you think of it for 17 seconds. And I wouldn't necessarily say it has to be that specific way on how something comes to you, but it can be revolve around money. So let's just say you want to manifest money. What you're thinking is you're thinking of situations that is helping you manifest money. So let me give you an example. This is when I wanted the PS4 remote. I know, right? It's so funny. So I wanted a new PS4 remote or whatever. This was back when I first got into the law of attraction. So what I did was I thought, and when I found out what the 17 second method was, I was thinking of the remote. So I'm just thinking like purely on the remote. You know, me getting a remote and how it can come. You know, I was imagining actually getting it from Target, and it was so funny that I got it from Target. So you can use it for specific things, but it's beneficial for you to mainly stay open to it. But I got it from Target. I was thinking of it, just sitting there. You know, I was putting all of my emotions and my attention. I was just visualizing myself getting the remote and how I would feel after I got the remote and after I purchased. I was also just visualizing myself looking at the remote. So first 17 seconds, you are, you know, picturing whatever it is. Then you're holding that thought for 17 more seconds. Then 17 more seconds. Then 17 more seconds until it adds up to 68 seconds. And then, so what you're doing is you're setting that vibration out to the universe that you are existing in that reality of what you that reality of what you desire to manifest. So it feels good to you. Basically, that's how the law of attraction works with this 17-second method thing. It has to feel good to you. So make sure that when you're trying to view yourself or visualize yourself manifesting something within these 68 seconds, that it's feeling good. You want to put all your emotions, all that intention, all that feeling into whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. Whatever it is, you want to feel good about what you're manifesting, and you do not want to hold so much resistance towards it. So what I mean by this is do not attach yourself to it. Let it go. Go about your day. Once you've set it out to the universe, it's basically like it is going to come to you. All you have to do is think it, and it is already here. So once you're saying, basically, I'm in this reality, I have this, da 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 da, let it go. Let it go in that moment. In that moment, let that shit go. And I'm telling you, you will get what you want. You don't always need to visualize something. You don't always need to continuously feel like you need to practice visualization so a manifestation could come. You can have it. Once you send out that energy, the universe is like, okay, boom. We have no other choice but then to bring it to you, because that's what you're trying to manifest. So it is going to come to you. Just make sure that you are not creating a barrier between it through your thoughts and you know, basically feeling like you have to have resistance towards it and attach yourself to it. Make sure you're practicing the law of detaching. Make sure you're practicing the law of detaching, and you will get what you desire to manifest. So basically, that's how the 17-second method works. Okay, so you guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, smack the bell, so you can get notified that I do videos. Also, if you'd like to buy any crystal jewelry, check the description box below for my Etsy shop. If you'd like to book a tarot reading with me, check the description box below. Check out my Instagram page if you want to follow me. Check out my Twitter if you want to follow me. I'll leave all of that information below so you can follow me on all my social medias. And stay tuned with me because I do live readings on Instagram and Periscope at 9 o'clock. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all so much. Peace.